right, so I'm starting the video here. So do I have your consent to take this video?
Yes.
All right, sweet. And do I have consent to put it online, like YouTube or Instagram or whatever?
Definitely. Make me viral.
All right. Chiropractic, putting viruses in people. That's what viral means, right?
Well, you think.
Okay. All right, so here we go. Sue, let's have you turn your head to the left and demonstrate what the issue is. And you get that pull over here.
Yeah, so if you feel it here, like if you put your hand here, and then if I turn, you can feel that my whole shoulder.
Oh yeah, like it goes that way.
Goes with it, but this one, nothing happens. My shoulder stays
It looks
straight.
happy, yeah. Let's do that again. Go to the right. So have a happy shoulder and turn to the left. Oh yeah, it rotates forwards. Oh, look at you, becoming a chiropractor. All right, so we're gonna see what we've got. Sorry.
It's all good.
Yeah, all right. Let's push here. Turn to the left now. Better, worse, same?
It's actually a little better. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Try that again. I just want to.
It's kind of thereabouts. Try now.
Okay.
Left rotation.
Yeah, my shoulder didn't move as much.
Yeah, it still moved, but not as much. And you didn't feel the pull, right?
No.
All right, well, let's go ahead and adjust that. I'm going to put this thing down for a second.
Would you like to hold it?
Nah, it's okay.
This way.
Okay, yeah, sure, we can do that. There you can, there, so that's, I'm gonna put it on selfie mode, or can I put it on selfie mode? I can,
Yep.
So you can just put it like that.
Okay.
That'll kind of do.
Probably give me a second. Can you rotate?
I don't think so.
No? Okay.
So yeah, I'll just have to try and angle the camera towards the area. That's the spot we found. We're getting a little nudge. We're on number 1. Very good. Turn slightly to the left. Good. Push the sound. All right, now. All right, now turn to the left. I mean, your shoulder still moves.
Not as much.
And it doesn't, you don't feel that pulling over here?
I can still feel it like right in here.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not as much, like it's not significant where I can actually feel my shoulder rotate down when I turn that way.
All right, well, I'm gonna do a little bit of muscle work, so I'm gonna turn this off, and thanks for your time.